Hi everyone. So before your child does lesson 1 problem set on page 1 of their Eureka Math module 3 and 4 booklet, I just wanted to kind of talk you through. So I'll share my screen with you just so that you can get an idea of what the paper looks like. On the last day of school before we had gone online, I had given out the first 5 lessons. So some students might have already done it. That's great, but I would encourage them to do it again now that they're learning it through the video and I'm going over it now. Obviously, they should put their name and the date. It says circle groups of 10. Write the number to show the total amount of objects. So your child should be able to tell you how many there are, but the main thing is that we want them to be circling and identifying a full group of 10 here. So in this first part, and I think I can even zoom in. Well, apparently that's all I can zoom in. So they want you to know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new row, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and circle those first 2 rows, a group of 10. Same thing here, another group of 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I counted 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10. You can say 10, 20, 30, or you could count all of them individually, but I think it's a little bit easier and they want them to recognize a group of 10, a group of 1s. Same thing as you go on through the rest of the worksheet. After that, you should go to this one. They want you to make a number bond now. So you can see this group of grapes is a group of 10. So we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So if this is 20, I just counted how many on this side? 7, 7, 1. So I'd go over here to the bottom of my number bond, I'd put 7, and the total amount always goes on the top, so it'd be 27. You might want to get the total first, and then you'll see, okay, 27, 20 on the bottom, and how many do you need to get from 20 to 27? So I can actually try to show you this too. I don't know how this works, but I'll give it a chance. So if you have your number bond, my computer is not a touch screen, so it's not going to be super pretty. Like this. And we say, okay, here's 20 on one side. We counted them all. We know there's 27. And it's, ooh, I didn't mean to do that part right there. And it's part, part, whole, or whole, part, part. You know, the whole is 27. The part is 20. What's the other missing part? They should know 20 plus 7 gives them 27. Might be a difficult concept. They might need you to kind of work through that with them, which is totally normal, especially since this is the first time we're really introducing place value. Same thing here. This is a group of 10. Down here, this whole stack is 110, and the little cubes are 1s. So I hope this video finds you well and that it can be helpful. Obviously, this video right here, grade 1, module 4, lesson 1, is done with actual, it's a little bit more interactive than what I'm giving you, but hopefully this will still be, you know, of use to you. If not, don't worry about it. If it helps, great. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. It's page 1 in the second half of the book. So they'll do the first page, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. And then they should stop on page 5 because then it turns into lesson 2. You don't want them going ahead to lesson 2. That's not for today. Only lesson 1. So 2 pages of problem set, 2 pages of homework, done. Then they can go on Dreambox, watch the counting videos, practice adding and subtracting, and then they're done for the day. All right, thanks guys, bye.